So acute right colon obstruction, EUS to rescue. So we'll present an interesting case and a challenge we encountered recently. This was a 68-year-old gentleman who presented with a history of 1 month with abdominal pain and vomiting. He was cachectic, severely malnourished with albumin of 1.5. His heart failure with ejection fraction of 20%. So this was the CT scan, and you can see on the views that small bowel was diffusely dilated and the suspected location of obstruction was felt to be ileum and the right colon region. So therefore we discussed options for management, and he was felt to be a very high risk candidate for surgery. So we decided to explore endoscopic treatment as an option. So the colon scope was then advanced across the rectum into the right colon. You can see there was a lot of gaseous distension, surprisingly distally. And you can see large amount of stool, which took us a while to clear. And then ultimately we could see the mass in the cecum, and it was not viable for endoscopic colonic stenting. So therefore we put an overtube into the left colon to help negotiate the sigmoid turn. And through that overtube, the echoendoscope was advanced into the right colon, and we can see the distended dilated bowel loops with ascites. To confirm the location, I asked my fellow to keep his hand on the right lower quadrant, and this was confirmed on fluoroscopy, suggesting that we are actually in the right colon. A suitable window was identified with a good runway of 3 centimeters. You can see there's ascites, and through that, needle, 19 gauge FNA needle was advanced and contrast was injected, and this confirmed the presence in the small bowel. Following this, a cautery enhanced lumen opposing metal stent 20 millimeters in diameter was then advanced from the right colon into the dilated small bowel, which was presumably the ileum, and stent deployed successfully with free flow of small bowel contents. You can see this on fluoroscopy, and then the same thing was confirmed on EUS, and you can see the stent in the small bowel here and going across into the colon with free flow of contents. So the patient's X-ray before the procedure is seen on the left, and on the right is the X-ray post-procedure with resolution of the colonic obstruction. The stent seen in the right lower quadrant as expected. Colo-enteric lumen opposing metal stents have been used for management of small bowel obstruction in this multi-center series of 26 patients with a technical success of 100%, clinical success of 92%, with an adverse event profile of up to 15%. Thank you.